Hi, this is Jackie with WTI, and if you're like me and you have a slightly older car that doesn't automatically attach to Bluetooth, you probably need an auxiliary cord. And for me, my car has an auxiliary outlet, just needed this perfect cord to plug into my iPhone, and it's so easy to use. It simply plugs into the auxiliary outlet in my console with this little plug right there. Boom! Plug it in there, and then this, boom, plug it into the iPhone, and I can play my music, I can listen to audiobooks, I can do whatever with the auxiliary outlet. Watch and listen as I plug in the auxiliary cord and play music through the car. It sounds so good. It is such a game changer for me with my older car, and I cannot live without this. But that's just my point of view.